Hello guys, this is Teaching Emmanuel for motivational English learning. Adjectives versus adverbs. First guys, I want to welcome you back. We are so happy that you visit our channel today. So our channel, which is motivational English learning, we will be uploading video more frequently to help you practice English on a regular basis. Please visit our channel a little bit more frequently for English speaking tips, pronunciation tricks, and more. So, if you're interested in learning and practicing English, please subscribe for not missing any future video. Thank you very much for subscribing. So, as I mentioned in my first video when I opened this channel, I clearly explained that speaking is the key. But we know that one of the most difficult things about learning a new language is understanding the grammar rules. Even English grammar may seem quite easy in comparison to other languages, a small error can easily change the meaning of what you want to say. So, we have prepared a series of mini videos about the most important rules that you should know to speak and write English easily. Adjective versus adverbs. Adjective describe the qualities of people and things. Words like poor, blue, and interesting are adjectives. Adjectives describe, identify, and quantify people or things and usually go in front of the noun. They don't change if the noun is plural. On the other hand, adverbs indicate the time, place, manner, degree, or frequency of an event or action. Adverbs have many different functions and can have different positions in a sentence, but they usually come after the verb. Here's a clear example. He is a regular student. Regular is the adjective. He studies regularly. Regularly, it's the adverb. She is a careful driver. Careful, it's the adjective. She drives carefully. Carefully is the adverb. So we have careful, carefully. So as you could see in the previous examples, most adverbs are created by adding ly to an adjective as these examples. Regular, regularly. Careful, carefully. But a few adverbs are irregular, such as fast as an adjective, fast as an adverb, hard as an adjective, hard as an adverb, good as an adjective, well as an adverb. So we say fast, fast, hard, hard, good, well. Example, Your English is good. You speak English well. So, as I mentioned at the beginning, adverbs have many different meanings and function. They are especially important for indicating the time, manner, place, degree, and frequency of something. Let's see some example in each function situation that we use adverbs. Let's say time. I never get up early on weekends. Early is an adverb of time. Manner. Walk across the road carefully. Carefully, it's an adverb of manner. Place. When we got there, the tickets had already sold out. Degree. It's rather cold, isn't it? Rather, it's an adverb of degree. Frequency. I'm always losing my keys. Always, it's an adverb of frequency. So guys, that was all for today. So today we were talking about the difference between adverbs and adjective, the way we use them. Thank you very much for staying until the end of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe. You can join our Facebook page and group where we practice, and welcoming you is our job, to give you a warm welcoming. And also there will be like exercises. You will be practicing in a group of people where people are interacting, and we will give you tips, tricks, and videos where you can practice your English. And also, if you want to, you can follow us and like our Instagram page at Motivational English Learning. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching us. Goodbye. See you.